Hello, everyone. This is Derek Anders. I'm going to tell you a little story about myself. I got hurt working for the city, and I herniated a disc in my back. That was in 2007, and I had no answers, no choice but to retire. And when you retire, you get less money than when you were working. And so I had to do something to make money online. And then I ran across this system. And it's been great. You get unlimited commission. You can make money even when you're sleeping, even when you're on vacation. And it's been a great opportunity. And I want to share it with you. If you want to know more and want to find out about this system, Infinity Processing System, just click on the link that I leave in the box on the site, and it'll have the link to the system. It'll explain to you in vivid detail what you're getting when you join Infinity Processing Systems. If you want to know more, just call me and reach out to me, DM. I'm going to leave my phone number on the site also. Until then, be blessed. Have a great day or evening. Take care. Bye now.